Hello guys, welcome back to Lineup. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Spider-Man 2 crashing on PC. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. So if you're having problems with your game here, specifically for Spider-Man 2, there's still something that you can do to probably solve this issue. Now, usually this issue here, which in this case Spider-Man 2 is crashing on your PC, is most likely caused by a bug that was recently installed in your GPU's driver. Now, what you could do here is you want to go ahead and open up your software, which in this case for your GPU here. So specifically, if you have like NVIDIA, you want to open up the NVIDIA app here or whatever app that is available from NVIDIA, and you want to go to your drivers and you want to make sure that you have the latest version. So in this case, you want to go and click on download and install it into your PC. Now, you might need to restart your PC in order for the download process to complete. But usually speaking here, once you've done that, it should resolve any issues. Now again, usually this is an issue with an update that you released before. So if in this case the issue is reported to NVIDIA, usually they are quick to release some updates here or patches that you could install. But yeah, so in this case, that's the first thing you could do. Now also, we actually search online here. So another user is actually experiencing the same thing here. So their PC is crashing while playing Spider-Man 2. And it looks like what they did is they actually basically fine-tuned their options. So they actually turned down their max clock speed to 26115 MHz here, and in this case, after doing so, this actually applies to to all of their games here. And typically speaking, just turning down your max clock speed here can actually help you a lot. But yeah, so usually this bug is affected or has affected AMD GPUs. So in this case, if you have one, this might be the cause here. But yeah, so those are the things that you can try here to probably solve this issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to Lineup. Thank you for watching.